Find the center and the radius of each circle. We have the equation of the circle, x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equals 0. Now if this equation is written in the right form, we can read the center and the radius directly from the equation. But we're going to have to complete the square actually twice in this case in order to find that form. What we're going to do is first of all write the x terms together, x squared plus 4x, and I'll leave a space, and write the y squared terms together, plus y squared minus 6y, and I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides, equals negative 4. Now I look at this first and I think, what do I need to complete the square for the x's? Well, half of 4 is 2, 2 squared is 4, so I have to add 4 to complete that square, and I need to add it to the other side as well in order to keep the equation still the same, equivalent equations. Then for the y's, if I take half of the negative 6, I get negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. So I add 9 to complete the square for the y's, and I add it on this side as well. And what that allows me to do is factor this as the square of a binomial. That would be x plus 2 squared. And then factor the next 3 terms as y minus 3 squared. And on the right-hand side, when I simplify, I have 9. Now this is almost in the form that we want. We need x minus something, so let's rewrite that as x minus a negative 2 squared plus, this is already written as y minus 3 squared, and let's write 9 as something squared. Well, that would be 3 squared. Now this is in the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, and we read the center and the radius directly from the equation. Reading the center, we have the center is negative 2, 3, and the radius would be 3.